Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make super rich and creamy activated charcoal soap. It's one of the most effective soaps in my opinion. My all-time favorite, my family and my friends love it, and if you're in business, trust me, your customers will come back for it. Some of the common benefits are it helps absorb excess oil, reduce acne and exfoliates the skin, and I'm sure there's so many other benefits that you can find online. It does take a lot of ingredients, so get the best premium, greatest quality you can afford to make these beautiful, high-demanding soap bars. And here I got some hard oils, coconut oil, unrefined shea butter, and mango butter. Next, I have 5 types of liquid oils. There's olive oil, sunflower oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, and here's the secret that makes the soap ultra creamy and super moisturizing. It's the hemp seed oil. It's a bit expensive, I know, but you don't need a lot, but it makes so much difference to the soap. Mine is a food graded one that I got from the supermarket because I'm only making a small batch here, but you probably can get it cheaper from a soap supply company. And here's the lye and water. Talking about water, I'm using distilled water or pure water or demineralized water that you can get from the supermarket. Reason being, it doesn't have any minerals and contaminants that could cause complications and unwanted reactions in the soap. And it's quite cheap though. And here's the activated charcoal that I mixed with a little bit of oil. I'm using about 0.5% from total oil. You can add a little bit more if you want your soap to be darker. My suggestion is not to use more than 1% because it's very potent and strong ingredient, I would say. So as usual, I'm going to start making lye solution by pouring lye into the water bit by bit. Remember, caution is needed when you're doing this. All the information that you need in order to make this soap is in the description box below, so please check it out. I'm going to use the heat transfer method where I'm using the heat from the lye solution to melt the hard oils. So just keep stirring until it's completely melted. I just poured the liquid oil in. This would bring down the temperature a bit, so keep stirring. I'm using tea tree oil, only 1%, not a lot. It's going to be a low scented soap bar. Now I'm adding the charcoal. When you use any additives, please follow the recommended usage to avoid any trouble such as irritation that could cause a rash, allergies and discomfort to the skin. The mixture looks gray now because the light is too bright. I'll adjust it in a bit. doesn't take much time to get this mixture to reach trace, so you don't want to over mix it. Alright, I think it's time to pour it into the mold. It can get messy, but take your time. There you go. I would leave this around 3 to 4 days and see if they're ready to be unmolded. So here's the 5th day. The soap is firm enough to be unmolded. You can see the soda ash around the surface. Nothing wrong with it. If you don't like it, just wash it off or use a steam iron to heat the surface, or just leave as it is. Not all the soaps are ready. Some can be a bit wet, some just pop out easily. If you want it to come out smoothly, you can wait a few more days, otherwise it would look a bit rustic. And there's nothing wrong with it. You can use a soap beveler to smooth it out when it's dry, or just leave as it is. So let's do a leather test. Oh my god, look at the bubbles. It takes no time at all to lather up. It's so soft, so rich and moisturizing. I would let the soap cure for around 4 weeks and see if it's completely dry, and I will do a pH test to make sure it's safe to use on the body. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Any questions, please ask me and I'll be glad to answer them. Have a wonderful day and see you next time. Bye bye.